side, the blue team. Rivera, balik kay Mumaya. 3-point shot. Sablay, nakuha ni Castro. To Tenorio, another 3-point shot. All the way, Sablay again. 3-point by Solano. Solano, to Tenko, cross dribble, Minang, Milalim, Kalyo, Gusto, sabi. Si Mungaya, to Dreso. Wala, si Tenko na, Tenko, 2-on-1 situation, nakuha ni Suma. Basket. Balik sa 10, wala mga blue team. Balik sa 10. Mungaya, to Rivera, Mere, balik kay Mungaya, to Castro, penetrates, foul. A pushing foul on number 72, Solano. Solano, first personal foul. First team foul of blue team. Tenorio. There's a defense. Block by Solano. Gandang depensa. Tenko, easy by Tenko. Tosin ako. Lumayo na ang ating Sky Blue Thunder team. Paso sa foul. And one. Reaching it foul by number 18. All the shot will be given to Castro. Substitution. Yes sir, pasok po, pasok. Substitution, sige pasok. Bonus shot para kay Castro. Bonus shot sa line. Tapi nga sa bola na ni Sarmiento. Pasok ko ito. Tuho na may kick na ball. Big target by Mamaya. Rojo. Go-to. Pagkaliwagan. Jump shot. Kapal na tira sa line. There is a whistle. Foul on number 25. Substitution. Sige sir, 25 po pushing foul. That'll be the third personal foul on Milano. Warning for penalty na po ang orange team. Personal foul naman. Castro, diretso, side step. And wala pa. Number 31. Second personal foul on Sarmiento. 2 shots for Castro. First shot of Castro's team. Second shot. Substitution. Back to 10-point lead now for the blue team. 67-57. Ganda ng laban. Sampo na po. Santiago, pasa kay Boho. Boho, pinapatay sa Maya. Maya, binibi. Pasa Santiago, penetrate. Kinaliwa! At kung hanggang na sila, kaya naman po ang running MVP para sa Sky Blue. Si Rolex Santiago, Rivera. Almost back on the ball. Cross dribble. Foul on number 55, Futsal. 2 shots for Rivera. Foul. Sir, blue team, sir. This free throw by Rivera. Second shot. Also may rebound by Solano. Solano. Pasa kay Santiago. Santiago